Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how to remove the background of your images in Canva. So let's start with a photo like this, and actually it is extremely easy. That's why I really like Canva, and I think it is the best tool for beginners because it's free and very easy to use. So you click on the effects after you choose your image, and then just select background remover. Then it loads. It may take some time because it's an automatic system, but it's a lot easier than to do it like manually, or you can also do it in Photoshop. Sometimes I do in Photoshop, but for beginners I think this is very great tool. You can see it's perfect. It's totally perfect. Look at the lines, the hair, everything looks very good. So I think this is a very useful tool. You can use this, and yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Check out this playlist for more Canva tips, and see you in the next episode of me cutting images in Canva and talking about the weather.